Hi everyone, in this quick guide, I'll show you how to compress any video using HandBrake without losing much quality. It's simple, fast, and yeah, you can do it even if you've never used video tools before. First things first, download HandBrake from the official website and install it on your computer. Once it's installed, go ahead and open the application. Now click on the Open Source button and select the video you want to compress. It will load into the main workspace in just a second. Next, on the right side, you'll see presets. If you're not sure what to pick, just go with fast or very fast preset under MP4. It gives a good balance between quality and file size. Now go to the Video tab. Make sure the video encoder is set to H.264 or H.265. H.265 gives smaller file size, but H.264 is more compatible everywhere. Here, S where compression really happens. Use the quality slider or set a lower bitrate. A slightly lower value means a smaller file, but don't push it too far or you'll notice quality loss. Next, choose where you want to save your compressed video. Click Browse, pick a folder, and give your file a new name so you don't overwrite the original. Finally, hit Start Encode. Now just wait while HandBrake compresses your video. The time depends on your video size and your computer speed. And that's it, your video is now compressed and ready to use. If this helped, feel free to check out more guides like this. See you in the next one.